Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Revived Code. I'm Manushi. In today's video, we are going to solve the super common questions, that is the integer to English words. Convert a non-negative integer number to its English word representation. Example, if input is 123, then output should be 123. Second example, there is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the input, then output should be 12,345. Let's break this problem into the parts. So how can we solve that? Solution 1, first we need an array. We need array, sorry, from number like 0 to 9, 10. Another one like tens, 20, 30, etc. Third, and units like thousand, million, billion, like this, etc. Next, we need to write a helper function here and converts numbers below 1000 into words. We need to create a helper function to convert numbers of below 1000 into words. And finally, we need to process the number in chunks of 3 digits from right to left. Process the number in chunks of like 3 digits from right to left and append the appropriate units and append the appropriate unit. So this is the solve. We can be solved like this. So now we are just going to, I'm just save it, and I'm now going to the JS file. I already created the one file, JS file. So I'm just writing the code here. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will try to make the video based on your idea and comments. Function words. Hold one input num within the function. If num triple equal to 0, return 0. Next, I'm creating one variable for words of numbers from 0 to 19. So just const variable once, that is the within array, empty string, that is the indexing. So empty string, then we have to writing like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19. Then I'm just creating another variable for like words for times multiplies like 20, 30, 40, 40, etc. Commented here. So now I'm just creating const. We can just use like variable stance. We need a two string here, blank string, indexing 0 and indexing 1. So creating the blank string, again blank string we need, and then we need to try that the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and last one 90. I'm also commented here, that is for the understanding purpose. I'm just writing this is the numbers from 0 to 19. Then we need to create another variable like thousands, million, billion, trillion, like that. So const variable, we can write it like 1000, and need a blank array here, sorry, blank string within an array, and then 1000, thousand, million, and billion, like this. So we are going to only for the thousands. And next, creating one arrow function to convert numbers less than 1000 to words. Const to words equal to n. We are creating the one ternary operator and creating with the if else condition here. That is the first, we are just trying to write the if n is 0, then return the empty string. So n, we just check the with the 0, then return the empty string here. Then n less than 20, then once store n plus empty string with space. If n less than 20, get from one's array. Next, n less than 100, then tens math dot floor n divided, 10, then plus join with the blank string, and then math, sorry, here we need to close that first. Here we need to close the math floor, then with the join, and then towards in module 10. And then, so here we are doing that, get tens apart like 20, here it is, so 20, 30, like that, 30, 40 to 90, and here it is a towards, that is the recurs on one's digit. So whatever the digit is there, 1 to 19, so it is like a added. And then once here also we need a math flow, so math dot flow. Here we just start with the 100, so and then plus empty string with 100, and then plus towards in module 100. So from here it is like a recurse on one's digit and then get 100 digit here, and after that add 100 and recurs on the rest. Let res equal to string comma indexing equal to 0, and now we need to process the number in chunks with the 3 digit from right to left. So we are going to loop. So which loop we can use? So here we can use the while loop. While like the number 0, while number greater than 0, if number module 1000, we need to check here if current 3 digit chunk is not 0. So if not equal to 0, then result equal to towards number modules 1000. So convert chunk to words, and we can join here thousands indexing here, that is, so add the corresponding 1000 unit also, plus we need to add here the blank string plus result. So append the result also, and next we just number equal to, here we just remove the last 3 digit and move the next 1000 units. So we can create here math equal to math dot floor num by 1000, and then I plus plus, and after that we just need to return our result dot trim. So why trim here? That is a remove if there is any leading white space is there, so it is just removing, and we need to pass our function. So now we need to check what is the console here showing. So that is a new terminal first, and instead of doing this I just open with that terminal, that is the open in integrated terminal, so it is best. So now just check with that node. Before that we need to pass that within a console, then we can be check. So console dot log, within number we can check with like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Another one also we can check with that 9999. Then what would be the result? So sorry, node, what is the number, that is the integer, so we can copy from here also. So renaming node, check what happened. Number is not defined, I already defined the number. So what happened? Okay, I need to save that. Save it. Then we need to run again. That is the, see, the expected output is, first one is I'm just zoom out, right, so that's it is visible. So first console it is like a 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is coming 123,456. Okay, here one small thing is that we can see that there is an 120, 150, it is coming like a, we need a space here, right? So go to the our code first. Let me zoom out little bit so we can check that uh, that is the 156 199. So it is like yeah, here if I space it here, and now we can check, see it is coming perfectly. And also we can check with like not in 100 or something, so we can check with another big number, so like 2, and here also 2 5 5 5 6. So let's save it, and here is the result, 29,999,256. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you very much guys, thank you.